Concat method. This method is used to concatenate two sequences. This means it takes two collections and combines them into a single sequence. This single sequence contains all elements from both collections. The beauty of concat is in its simplicity and versatility. It's particularly useful when you need to merge data from different sources, or when you are manipulating collections of data in your applications. Imagine you have two lists of data that you need to handle as one. Instead of writing complex loops or temporary collections, concat provides a seamless way to merge these lists. This is especially useful in scenarios like combining customer lists from different regions, merging product data, or simply concatenating arrays of different types. Interestingly, concat has one primary overload, which is the following. This overload accepts two IEnumerable of T types, allowing you to concatenate two sequences of the same type. It's important to remember that the type of elements in both sequences must be the same for concat to work. For example, an integer array with an integer array, a list of strings with a list of strings, rows of a table with rows of another table, and so on. You cannot concat array with table, or list of strings with list of integers. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose you have two arrays of integers. You can easily concatenate them using concat. Here's how you do it. This will output a single array with the following elements. This output sequence contains all elements from both arrays. To get the output as array, you can use toArray method as following. Now, let's look at concatenating lists. If you have two lists of strings, you can merge them in a similar fashion. The resulting list will contain these fruits. To get the result as list, you can also use toList method. And so on. You can concatenate different sequences together. This method is not only to concatenate arrays or lists, but also for complex data types, such as data tables. For example, the following two tables. Here's the query to concatenate both tables. The result will be the following table, that contains all rows from both tables. And that's it, very simple. No complex structures or lambda expressions. I used the method to concatenate two sequences, but the method can be used inside complex queries with other clauses and methods. It depends on your requirements. In conclusion, concat is a versatile method that simplifies the merging of sequences in VB.NET. Its ability to handle arrays, lists, and other collection types makes it a valuable addition to your LINQ arsenal. Remember, the key is that the types of elements in both sequences must match. Experiment with different types and see how concat can make your coding more efficient.